All right, question number 6 was a factor by grouping. So let's look at an example of that. So we're going to take our first two numbers, our first two terms. But if it wasn't already in standard form, you'd want to put it in standard form. But the example on the test was. So we're going to look and see what goes into these first two terms. So what goes into 2 and 8 is 2. There's an x cubed in both of those. So I'm going to write that there. Remember, we're going to use this sign always, the minus, whatever's here. And then 3 goes into both of those. So we're going to factor that out. So we have 2x cubed. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Negative 8 divided by 2 is 4. 3 minus 3, all those go away. So then we're going to do our negative 3. And if we did it right, or if it's going to work, it should end up being 1x minus 4. So let's see. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1, and there's an x left. 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. So then we factor out the one that they have in common, the 1x minus 4, and we're left with 2x cubed minus 3. And of course, it could be in any order, and also that 1 doesn't need to be written.